Charlie Spirit, something happening in Libya got me crying this morning. I forgive myself. I'm not in that situation. I'm not kidnapped. I'm not under control. I haven't been sold to any government. I haven't been sold to anyone. But Spirit, Libya's the slavery at Libya has been dismantled right now. The slavery at Libya, it has been dismantled. That shit has come to an end. That nonsense has disappeared. Every human being's life has continued. Sin has come to an end. Libya is free. Libya has been put under control. Gaddafi, me, I'm here. And I've put my country under control. I've stopped them from fooling. Hey! They don't have any creativities and ideas. I'm here to give it to them. Hey! I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful for the liberation of the slaves across the world. It's a worldwide thing. I'm grateful for slaves release. I'm grateful for peace of mind in the universe. I'm grateful for every human being's freedom and their liberation. Thank you, universe, for everything. The way fires are burning across the world because of people's wicked hearts. Fire burns. The way fires have burned down the whole world, wherever human beings are, for their wicked hearts. Human beings have been slapped left, right, for their nonsense. Hey. In fact, I literally hold a cane in my hands and I'm caning them individually. And they don't have power over it. They are so powerless. I'm caning them for their sins and for their uselessness, and all they can do is to cry. Thank you, universe.